Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Max Music Tuner. First, you will need to download and install the application on your device. Once installed, connect your instrument, such as a guitar or bass, using either an audio interface or your device's built-in microphone. It is crucial to find a quiet space, free from background noise, to ensure the most accurate tuning results. This initial setup takes only a few moments. Next, let's explore the various tuning modes available. The Max Music Tuner offers a wide selection of instrument presets. Simply choose yours from the list. You can then select a tuning mode, such as chromatic for any note, standard for common tunings, or even a custom mode. Pay close attention to the visual feedback, like a moving needle or a strobe display, which guides you to the perfect pitch for each string. Beyond basic tuning, the Max Music Tuner includes several advanced features. You can use the calibration option to match an external reference pitch, ensuring your instrument is perfectly in tune with others. Feel free to experiment with alternative tunings, which are great for exploring different musical styles. Plus, you can save your favorite custom tuning presets, making it incredibly easy to recall them for future practice or performance sessions. To achieve the best results, here are a few tips for accurate tuning. It is a good habit to tune your instrument frequently, ideally before every practice or performance. When plucking the strings, do so firmly and consistently to provide the tuner with a clear and stable sound reading. Finally, ensure your device's microphone is clean and unobstructed, as this directly impacts the quality of the sound input and the overall accuracy of your tuning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.